Elon Musk and Bill Gates both use time blocking, scheduling their days in 5-minute increments. But a Harvard Business Review study found that time boxing, not blocking, was rated the #1 most useful productivity technique. Time blocking assigns specific tasks to specific calendar slots. From 9 to 11, you work on the quarterly report. From 11 to 12, you answer emails. The block defines what you work on and when. It's about protecting focus by giving every hour a job. Time boxing adds a hard constraint. You must finish within the box. If you give yourself 45 minutes for a blog post, you stop at 45 minutes regardless. It's about using Parkinson's law to your advantage. Work expands to fill the time available, so shrink the time. Use time blocking for open-ended creative work where quality matters more than speed. Use time boxing for tasks that tend to expand: emails, meetings, research, editing. The magic happens when you combine both. Block your day, then box the tasks within each block. Live demo showing how to set up a hybrid time-blocked and time-boxed calendar in Google Calendar, including color coding, timer integration, and weekly review setup. Try the hybrid approach for 1 week. Block your mornings for deep work. Box your afternoons for admin. Let me know in the comments how it goes.